Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing fried yam and smoked turkey. Guys, it's so delicious. This is one of my favorite Ghana street food. So come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. So do subscribe. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Just look how crispy and fluffy it is. The inside is fluffy and outside is so crispy. So come along with me guys and let's do this. So guys, I have my smoked turkey here. I'm going to marinate it, okay? So I'm going to add some spices. I'll put all the measurements down below in the description box. I have some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Suya pepper, some paprika. I'll put them all down in the description box. So delicious. Add some oil to it, and then I'm going to add it to my turkey to marinate it. So come along with me. So guys, as our turkey is marinating nicely, I'm going to peel my yam and cut it into small chunks. So come along with me. So guys, before I fry the yam, I want to put my turkey in the oven. Okay, it's nicely marinated as you can see. So I put it in the oven at 180 degrees for it to cook nicely. So guys, as you can see, this is our cut yam. I'm going to add a bit of salt to it and I'll allow it to stand for a bit so that the salt really go into the yam. All right, and I am going to dry that and dry it because I'm going to add a bit of turmeric to it. Okay, but this is just for color. If you don't like turmeric, don't really add it. Okay, so I'm going to add that to it and then you're going to fry it. It's as easy as that. So guys, our yam is cooked nicely. It's crispy, I tell you. It's so delicious, guys. You have to try it. So this is our yam and the turkey is absolutely delicious. and I'm pairing it with some, in Ghana we call it pepper sauce. Okay, it's chilies and some onions and some tomatoes, and I've added some cut onions and shito. If you want the shito recipe, it's on my channel. So guys, if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye. Don't forget to share.